Wow. Wow. And her music also tells some relatable stories. Hey, you. Hi to the supporters of Ado. So just over a day ago, I've seen where Ado releases another track, right? Where she's just doing her music. And I do like the fact that she's just giving bangers behind bangers. Alright, and her music is just so good to listen to. It gives the vibes. Okay, give the impression to dance. Okay? And with that being said, let's see what Hardo have in store for us, the viewers.
だって夢が空に跳ねた別に一人でも帰れるけどバッとしないのはねそばに多分君がいないからでしょ会いたいなんてしないで君なんか嫌いです居場所がないなもう一回君のそばで私は小さく息をするのなんでもない虹は空に覗いた心がかかんでしただってまだまだあの人が多分君の中で生きていて降ってその旅を今夜にここが苦しくなるよ会いたいなんてすがってバカみたいに泣いて頭の中で回る君の言葉触れたら壊れそうだ君が今にもなくなりそうで夕焼けに
Guys, I ain't gonna lie. I will support her and I will always support her in the future. And it's very important to just support this woman because she's just giving the music that I do like. Right? I know sometimes I'm there, feeling the vibe to listen to some Ado. Her voice is just giving the chills. Her voice is just so resonating, right? The level of her vocals is top notch. Wow, she's that impressive. She's that impressive.
そうなる街が未来も願いも過ぎ去ってゆく言えるわけないなラララララララ君が好きですもういいから分かってたよいつかこんな日が来ることなんてもういいよさよならしよう思いは全て今返すから君
Wow. Wow. And her music also tells some relatable stories, right? Because whenever time I sat and I listened to the the subtitles, right? And I've seen where she's mentioning some importance. I have to sit and I have to wonder. When she's writing these songs, when she's putting these lyrics together, what is she thinking? What inspired her? Because there's something around her, or there's something happened around her where she feel inspired to write these lyrics. Because I've seen a very important line in lyrics where it says, It's okay now by your side. There's always something to be okay on. It's okay to have someone by your side because there's no one on this earth wants to be lonely. It doesn't matter if you are an introvert, it's always that possible, bro. Right? Having someone by your side whenever time you're feeling lonely is very important. It's very important, right? So yeah, all those music is always this resonating. And there's something in there that always pulls you through if you're going through a bad time, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very touching words. 'Splendid! Absolutely splendid. You know, it's important to have someone who you love, someone who you trust, someone who you can call whenever time you have a bad momentum, right? And it's okay to cling on to someone who you love, someone who you trust, because it doesn't matter who you are, where you want to come from. Love is very important, bro. Right? And once you have that within you, once that person have that within them, then eventually they are a big winner. And this is what Otto is saying, bro. This is what all she's saying. It's okay to be by your side with everything that comes with love, heartbreak, trust, honesty, being adventurous, you know, praising God together, being religious, all those necessities within love circle. Once all those things are intact, you've won. Yeah. So love is very important. Once you have the right person. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, hit the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time another audio reaction releases by me. So you all could be the first to click on the like button and to stay tuned. I'll see you guys in another audio reaction in due time.